Danielle, I vow to love you no matter the conditions. I promise to always place you and family above all. You and Remy are my greatest treasures that I cannot do without. Purpose, my passion, my reason for being. I vow to always have my heart open for you and not to fear showing you my emotions. My love, my heart, my soul, anything that I can give is yours for all time.
Dear Joey, as I stand here today, looking into your eyes, I am filled with an overwhelming sense of love and gratitude. You have been my rock, my support system, and my best friend through thick and thin. And today, I want to take this opportunity to express my love and appreciation for everything you are. Joey, you made me a mother to our beautiful daughter, Remy. Watching you become a father has been one of the greatest joys of my life. You have shown me what it means to be patient, kind, and selfless.
I love you, Daddy.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You gotta be careful. You look so handsome.
Oh my gosh, you got goosebumps.
You know me better than anyone else in this world, and you love me for who I am, flaws and all, and I'm so grateful for that. You're also the first person to not give up on me. You have seen me at my worst, and yet you have never once wavered in your love and support. You have helped me through some of the toughest times in my life, and you have always been there to remind me of my strength and resilience. You have shown me what it means to be truly loved. Joey, I vow to love you for the rest of my life. I vow to be your partner, your confidant, and your best friend. Thank you for being my everything, and I love you more than words could ever express, forever and always.
The storm may come and I I'll stand near you. I'll stand near you, yeah. When seasons change and colors fade, I'll stand near with you. I'll stand near with you, yeah. And as the
Danielle, since the time I first met you, I knew she was a force to be reckoned with. This is a girl who knew exactly what she wanted in life, and someone that I would come to admire, who would take this guy and help him become his best self. You and I would butt heads at times, but we would always come together when Joey needed it. And that is what I truly love about you, and that's what makes you amazing.
They come and hide our sun, and we'll stand here. We'll stand right here. The storm may come and hide.
You're an amazing man, Joey, and Danielle, please to continue to watch over him like you have. I'm honored to be your best man, and most of all, I'm honored to be. I'm honored to be your little brother, always looking up to you. I love you, Joey.
winds of life blow back and forth, and as the winds of life blow back and forth.
Joey, babe, thank you for making our girls the happiest that we've ever seen.
We are forever grateful. Forever grateful.
Forever. Always remember to laugh and smile, and make sure to take care of our girls always, or we'll have to hunt you down.
All right, go ahead and tap her shoulder. Turn around.
Hi, babe.
Oh, motherfucker. Oh, motherfucker. You son of a bitch. Wow. Good. Nice one, man.
For you, dude.
What, you
That's
don't wanna marry me? Am I too beautiful? Is that what it is?
Oh my God.